Hey Matt, here with 911R Avant-Garde. We have the 73.5 911 Targa here. Again, this car is a really special car, so let's talk a little about this car. Walk around. Very cool color, one of my favorite Porsche colors of all time, and it's just quite special. Best thing about this car, this paint is all original panels all the way around. It's had a little bit of minor touch-up, like with the touch-up paint and stuff, but every panel is original all the way around the car. We've talked to prior owners of the car, also verified the car. This car came out of a collection that we've been selling, and this is really the pride and joy of this collection. The car has the exposed panel Fuchs wheels and is with the correct Michelin tires on it. The interior is all original on the car, original carpets, original seats. This is a 1973.5, so you get the 915 gearbox. And it's also last year you could get the vent windows and the chrome trim on it. The Targa top is in stellar condition on the car as well. The dash, all the surfaces, the steering wheel stitching is all very nice. Come up on the front here on it. I love that it has the original orange bar badge on it. Again, the original paint here. So look in the front area, nice tag with our VIN number on it. Open up the front here, got the beautiful wheel, the correct gas tank, the correct dual batteries in here. All the wiring's all nice and tidy. It hasn't been screwed around with, so you know what you're getting here. Extra set of floor mats. Just a beautiful car. You see the other side, the hood is just all correct. One of the nicest ones I've ever seen. Time capsule, and to find an original color paint car from 1973 and a half is really rare. So this is one to watch out for. It's a great car for your collection. It runs and drives real good. Oh, let's go around looking at it. So 73.5 was the first of the CIS fuel injection cars. A lot of people didn't think these were very cool because they didn't really want much to do with them. But honestly, they run amazing. They get great fuel mileage. There's a lot less tinkering to do on them than the MFI cars, and they run out really strong. There's definitely a progression from the mechanical MFI to the CIS, and CIS was used for many years on lots of different cars, Volkswagen, Porsche, Mercedes, Audi, and just a great little system. But this motor is dry. It has career tensioner updates on it as well, and we've just really been really impressed with this car all the way around. Any questions on the car, please use the contact seller button. Any other thing like transportation, or if you're interested in a 911R represented car for you, use the contact seller button. We'll get right back to you, and good luck. Thank you.